Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and hang out. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Before we dive on into today's unboxing, try on, and giveaway, let's do the question of the day. Today's question of the day is, what is your current go-to lip combination? Oh my gosh, you guys, I have a current fave, so I'm gonna share it with you. It is the Unique Lip Liner in Plush, which is one of my all-time favorite lip liners because it's kind of like a mauve-y, almost purpley toned liner, and it gives a really full shadowy effect. And then I've been going in with this L'Oreal Paris Empower. It's like their new kind of like liquid inky matte kind of liquid lipstick. I don't even know if you can put it in the liquid lipstick category, but the combo together is so long lasting. It looks amazing. I love this lip liner with a peachy toned lipstick. It's so beautiful. Let me know down below what your current go-to is. I'm so excited to dive on into today's Boxyluxe and share it with you guys, and to also do a giveaway. If you're new here, I do Boxyluxe and BoxyCharm unboxings every month, and I always do a giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday at 10 a.m. Central Time. I would love for you to join the Lash Family. If you don't know what Boxyluxe is, it's an offshoot of BoxyCharm. You do have to be a part of BoxyCharm to get Boxyluxe. It is $50 a quarter. It's a little pricey, but so far I've been really impressed. So if you want to see what items I got and if I'm impressed with this box, and of course get in on the giveaway, then just keep watching. If you see a whole bunch of creasing up in my eyelid area, that's because it is. My eyes are watering like crazy right now. No matter what I do, I took an allergy pill, it's not working. And somehow, magically, when my eyes water out here, the water goes up into my eyelid. My Boxyluxe box is super big, super heavy, and I can't wait to see what's in here. I have not looked in here at all. Usually I kind of look through it first, but I didn't have time. I gotta go to work, but it arrived, so I gotta share it with you guys. Per usual, I will be doing some sort of giveaway during this box. So yeah, stick around to the end. We'll talk about it. This month's theme is Getaway, which I think is super cute because, hello, it's summer. We all want to take a vacation. All I have done is my eyes and my foundation because I kind of wanted to see what was in here to see if there's something I could use, and I think I could use this. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3, $45. Beautiful packaging. It feels so nice. It's like a matte, just smooth black packaging. It's so beautiful inside. This is such a nice palette. I've never used this before, and I'm really excited to test it out. So I'm going to do that right now. The one thing is the pan size can be a little difficult to get in there with your brushes, depending on what your go-to brushes are. I'm going to go in with an angled contour brush by Luxie. It's a 504. And I'm going to go in with the matte bronzer shade. I'm going to tap it off just a little bit because I don't know how pigmented it is. Ooh, that is a nice color. Okay, now this, the other dark bronzer shade looks kind of like it's got a sheen to it. We'll have to see how it looks on the face. My eyes they're watered so much. This color is really nice. Really nice. It's giving me a really nice sun-kissed bronze. It's not overly pigmented, which I prefer for a bronzer because sometimes it's easy to get a little crazy with your bronzer. Love that. Now I'm just going to use the same brush, going with the darker side. I'm just trying to see if it tells me much on here. The packaging doesn't tell you much about if one is more of a contour, one is more of a bronzer, but this one's definitely deeper. I do feel like there is a little bit of a radiance to it. It doesn't look matte on the skin. I don't mind that. Well, I really don't mind that. I'm not in love with the radiant bronzer, but I definitely don't hate it either. I do think sometimes it looks really nice. Super duper impressed with those so far. I'm going to dive into the blush. I think for today's look, I'm going to use this one. Ooh, the blushes are really powdery. A 522. Definitely a whole bunch fluffed up into the air when I went in with my brush. These are nice, again, not overly pigmented. A really pigmented blush has a time and a place, but this is really good for your everyday makeup wear, someone who doesn't want to have to fret when they go in with a product. They know they're not going to just tap it once and then get clown cheeks. I think that's really pretty so far. No problems. Going in with my favorite highlighter brush, the M438, and definitely going to try, you know what? I'm going to live on the edge. I'm going to try a little bit of both. They could be too dark for me. Very easily could be too dark for me. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. That is stunning. Wow. It's a very foiled, very bright highlight. Yep. Totally down with this. Love it. So good. The one thing is I didn't realize there was a face primer in here, and I did already do my foundation, so sorry guys. This is the Touch and Soul, which I actually used their other primer we got a while back, their smoothing primer, and I love it. This is their Pore Blum, I always have trouble saying that, Prime Essence, $23. It's infused with Candula officinalis flower extract. It tightens up your pores to keep your skin silky smooth. So I love this. It's kind of the concept of like skincare and a primer in one. I can't wait to give this a try. I will try to maybe feature it in its own video. If you guys want to see that, let me know down below. But so excited to get this because like I said, I love their other primer that we got. And I love being smooth because your girl's got some pores here, okay? Okay, the next thing in here is something I'm definitely going to use right now, and the reason I don't have anything on my lips, I'm so excited. I've never used this brand before. Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss, $17. I love the sound of it. I think the idea of it being themed after lemonade is super cute and so summer. I am going to go in with a lip liner first. This is Lay Down the Mauves by Wet n Wild. It's a little deeper than my natural lips. My lips are pretty pigmented, so just softening it out a little bit. Wet n Wild makes the best lip liners, in my opinion. So affordable and so good. Oh my gosh. I hope this smells like lemonade. Shouldn't it definitely be scented like pink lemonade? Otherwise, like, why the heck not? Beautiful. The packaging is gorgeous. The gloss looks so beautiful. I love the color. It's so perfect for this time of year. I got the shade, what shade is this? Peach Tea. Oh, what if it smells like peach tea? That would be even better. I love anything peach. Okay, here we go. Let's smell it. It smells good, but I'm quite disappointed. It just smells like vanilla cake. Why? Why? Wouldn't it be cooler if it was peach tea or lemonade scented? Let me know what you think. It does smell really good though. It smells exactly like cake batter ice cream. It's very specific. Oh, yes. Love the color. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, and with this lip liner, the combo is so good. I love this color because it's definitely like your lips, but better. And I feel like it's one of those colors that will kind of mimic, kind of play up your lip color no matter what it is. And it's very shiny. It feels spectacular. It's not sticky at all. It's just a really smooth, great gloss. Oh, I'm really impressed with that. I really like it. It feels so good. Okay, I'm super duper impressed with that. Like I said, I've never used her brand before, and if the rest is like this gloss, then that's really good because this gloss feels so amazing. Just wish it smelled like peach tea. Now let's go into the next. Oh, well, we'll have to skip that one because I'm going to give that one away. The next thing is something I'm really excited about. So I am really big into probiotics. I take probiotics, I drink kombucha, I eat fermented foods. Like, good bacteria is so important. And this is a pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. So very excited. And it's by Dr. Brandt, which is a super high-end brand, but my bottle looks horrible, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, it's all squished, it's like marked up. What in the world happened? This comes in at $35. So far I'm going way beyond what the box cost. It says powered by Biotic Balance Complex. This prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil. We'll definitely use this. I'm so glad to be able to put it in my skincare stash because you guys, I have been so into skincare lately. Oh goodness, I'm taking it real serious. That 30 is coming up quickly. The next thing is another skincare item. Yay, like I said, I love skincare. The next thing is Pharmacy Honey Moon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. Oh, I'm down for anything that's going to make me look smoother. This is $58. score. Okay. And the Pharmacy is a super nice brand. I actually haven't dived into any of their products, but their packaging is killer and their branding is killer. Well, I can't get it open, you guys. Sorry about that. But I don't want my camera to overheat, so I'm trying to get through this. This Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with 14% AHA, BHA gentle flower acids blend to help with pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. Oh, okay, this is right up my alley. That is everything I need help with in one. I can't wait to give it a try. If you guys have tried this, let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. This is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Awesome. $29. Let's just give it a little spritz right now. Why not? I could use a little more volume. Whoa. Okay, that works. And the smell smells so good. Okay, definitely works. Ignore how frizzy my hair is, you guys. It's been raining today. The smell is amazing. Definitely excited to use this on the regular. Thank you, Boxyluxe. This box has been amazing. This is the Skin & Co., which I've always wanted to try. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. $35. I wonder if this is for with makeup or without. Let's see. Oh, it can be used to set makeup. Okay, I feel like I'm looking a little flat today. I'm wearing some very matte foundation. So let's try it right now. Let's do a test spritz. You always want to do a test spritz. Okay, that looks very fine. Okay, I'm excited. I love sprays. Oh, no, it's a little harsh. And it kind of smells like peppermints. That's a little different. Not quite what I was expecting. The spritzer is a little harsh, but I'm open-minded. I'm willing to keep trying this, give it a go, see how it works for me. I actually, with oily skin, still on occasion love a radiant setting spray because sometimes I need to bring a little life back into matte foundations like today. And I actually do feel like that kind of helps. Okay, now let's talk about the items that I'm giving away. I'm going to give away 2 items. If you are new here, let me just tell you how my giveaways work. Everything about the giveaway, how to enter, will also be down in the description box for you guys. But I always have a few rules and they stay the same. First of all, you have to be a subscriber to my Lash Fam. You have to subscribe to my channel. The next thing is you do have to be 18 years of age to enter and also have a USA mailing address. I just cannot do international shipping at this time, but hopefully as my channel grows one day I will be able to. And then the third thing is please comment down below with hashtag I love my Lash Family, and please leave an Instagram handle if you do not have your YouTube message feature on. That way I can contact you if you are a winner. Okay, now let's talk about the 2 items that I'm giving away. I think they're pretty amazing. The first one is Trestique Good Vibes Mascara, $25. Now, normally I keep mascara because I love mascara. I go through mascara like crazy, but I thought this one was so cool and so travel friendly because it actually has a lash curler built in. How cool is that? I think that is so innovative and perfect for people on the go, people traveling. What an awesome idea. And then, to go with the travel vibes, I am giving away this PYT Mini Blow Dryer. Oh my gosh, you guys, this comes in at $85. Let's see what color I got. Ooh, I got a lavender one. It is a mini hair dryer. I don't want to unravel all the good packaging it came with, but it's a mini hair dryer, and then it also comes, which I think is so cool, with both the straightener attachment and also the diffuser attachment for making those beachy waves or defining your curls. So, oh my gosh, I think this is so cool, and I've heard really wonderful things about their hair products. I haven't used them. We got them before, and I also gave that one away. I'm so excited to give it away. I love doing giveaways here on my channel. I love giving back to you guys because I seriously have the sweetest subscribers. So definitely make sure you are looking at the description box, following the rules so that you can get entered to win these. Before we go, let's do my shout out of the day. My shout out of the day is just where I shout out a member of the Lash Fam who has been so awesome and commenting on my videos. So today's shout out of the day is Missy Slater commented on my recent lookbook video saying, "Hey Laynie, I forgot to tell you that I did get the BoxyCharm giveaway from you. Thank you, thank you, thank you." Missy, I'm so glad you got the goodies, and I'm so glad that you are a member of the Lash Fam. So thank you so much for tuning in, commenting, and being a part of this community because I'm seriously so glad that you are here. Okay guys, that is everything. If you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button. And as always, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.